day, lovely blue sky.
Open top there.
Oh right, yeah, we could do if you want. Tour guides there giving a tour of the colleges in and around Oxford. Oxford University is made up of lots of different colleges. This is one here, Balliol College. That's open. You can kind of go in there. It costs adults £3 to have a walk around. Balliol College, Oxford, is one of Oxford's oldest colleges. It was founded around 1263 by John I.D. Balliol, a landowner from Barnard Castle in County Durham, who provided the foundation and the endowment for the college. But,
one of the oldest ones, it says.
yeah, I think Magdalen College is the oldest. So yeah, we can have a little wander around Oxford and see some of the sights and some of the sounds, some of the old stuff and some of the new stuff. Give you a bit of a feel for the place. Yep, Trinity College. That one there. So.
Where did they film?
Morse. Inspector Morse. Inspector Morse is an old, with John Thaw. It's an old detective back in the 80s and the 90s series, which was based in Oxford. Very famous, Inspector Morse. Anyway, this is Broad Street in Oxford, Broad, so that means it's quite wide street. One of the oldest streets, I think, in Oxford, this one down here as well. Again, all to do with the university around here. Yes, lovely. Wander in here. Gives you a bit of an idea.
It's a library.
Yes, that's right. It is a library. You're right. Gives you a bit of an idea of the architecture. Very nice. There's some books here. A brief history of Oxford. Hello, chappie. Hello. You probably smell my bacon roll, I think. Right, it's one of the colleges there. Not sure which one this is. One of the Oxford colleges. Very nicely well kept. Yeah, very nice. So we're right opposite this place here. Okay, so Oxford is full of history, and here comes a bit of a history lesson. This is the Radcliffe Observatory. It was an astronomical observatory of the University of Oxford, and from 1773 until 1934, when the Radcliffe trustees sold it and built a new observatory in Pretoria, South Africa. This is a Grade 1 listed building. Today the observatory forms a part of a Green Templeton College of the University of Oxford. The observatory was founded and named after John Radcliffe by the Radcliffe trustees. It was built on the suggestion of the astronomer Thomas Hornsby, who was occupying the civilian chair of astronomy. Construction started in 1772 and completed in 1794. Yeah. Where should we go? Yeah, we can go down that way if you like. How long did it take to do that? How long?
5 hours.
5 hours. No problem. Here we go. Spin you around. Have a little look. There we go. Some of the Westgate shopping centre. Yeah, nice place. Up on the top level. It's the city over there. That's where you see the spires. That's the universities over there.
you go, one safe flight back to Daddy.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Right, we're back home, as you can see. Right, the dog absolutely hates this. Shut that door, sir. Ah, sorry, mate. It's got to be done every now and again. Doggy shampoo. Oh, that's lovely. Yeah. Yeah, shut up. Yeah, you grumpy old gits. You can be quiet. You're gonna lay down for me. You're gonna lay down for me. Go on, lay down. You don't want to lay down, do you? You shut up.
Beautiful.
Need you
Yeah.
lovely. Pretty boy. Pretty boy.
It's going to be a fluffy bear. Yeah.
Yeah, fluffy.
Oh. Good boy.
Boy coffee. Okay, right. Clean bucket of water for the rinse. Hey, what am I gonna do? Ooh, 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 yeah. There you go. Hey, good boy. Nice and clean now. You'll feel better after that. Good lad. Right, job done. Hello, son. All right. Okay, right. Right, so here we go. Who's that, son? Who's that then? Good boy. Go for a bit of a fly around, I think. A bit of a fly around on this lovely, beautiful spring-like day in the UK. Around my part of the country anyway, in Swindon. Give you a bit of an idea where we are. There you go. We're going up, we're going up. Quick look across the town. A bit of a fly around. So it's a lovely day in Swindon today. Beautiful day. That's the Kingsdown Brewery. That's the only brewery in Swindon, that one there. And you can see that it's got the yeah, looking at it. That's the brewery there. Which is about a quarter of a mile down the road, I suppose. Thereabouts. Yeah, that's it, that's the brewery. Don't really want to land it in it, do I? Oh dear Lord.
You've done what?
I'm sort of very close to it. There you go.